Hello, I am Isaac Kong. Today I'll be showing you my project called the Player Career Mode. In this project, you will be given a team, a rating to start with, and your position. Your position will be a camp. So now let me demonstrate how you use this project. In this project, you will get a random team and a random rating. You are going to imagine yourself as a player and go through the life as a player by playing matches, transferring clubs, and training. You can also see your statistics and retire when you feel like you don't want to play this game anymore. So let's start. In this case, I got the club PSG. My rating is 58, and after that, I will be directed to the central. Now, let me show you how this game works. You can either choose to advance or play match. In this case, I have advanced 1 week and there is no matches. Here, you can see that you have a match and you won the match. In this case, the number of wins you have will increase by 1. Another option is to transfer clubs. You can transfer to whatever club you like by continuously clicking this transfer. Now I'm at Sparta Praha. When you are happy with the club you are at, you can decide to train. Training will increase your rating, but note that it will increase it by 4. It will progress by 4 weeks. You can continue training until you hit a certain level. In this case, I have reached a 70 rating. When I am happy with it, I can decide to play more matches. Now, I can see what age I am and what is my rating and how many matches I won, lost, and how many trophies I gained by clicking E stats. So now I can see that my rating is still 70. I have 1 win, 3 losses. The week is 116. My age is 20 and I have 0 titles. When you feel that you want to quit this game, you can press B, retire. They will show you what week you are at and where you have retired from. Now, let me show you the code. First, I created a list to store all the teams that the person can be going to. I shuffle the teams and I pick what team you are at. Then this program will tell you the team and will pick a random rating from 49 to 63. Then we will initialize everything. This is the loop. When the week is divisible by 52, we'll count it as a year has passed, and your age will increase by 1. Then, if your wins is 3 times your losses or more, you will be able to win a title. Every year, the wins and your losses will be set to 0. Note that when your age is above 30, your rating will start to decrease, as it does in real life. When you reach the central, you will be able to pick 5 options. They will show you what week you are at, and they will decide which one you picked. If you pick 1, if you pick A, they'll show you if you have a match. Note that this decision is random. If your rating divided by your age tends to be more than a value, you have higher chances of winning. Or if your rating is less than that value, you will lose the match. If you pick B, they will show you which team you have retired from, and they'll quit the program. If you pick C, they will go through the process that you had just went through when you just started the game. You will transfer to that club. If you pick D, your rating will increase. Note that the week will increase by 4. If you pick E, then they will show you all your statistics, your wins, your losses, your rating, what week it is, your age, and the number of titles. So that is all for my code. This game was inspired by a game that I have played called FIFA. It allows you to have similar functions and go through the life of a soccer player. I wish you like this project. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you.